most important quality on your personal development journey is... Well, I guess you can find out if you continue watching this video. Hi everyone, I'm Ling, and I love seeing the spark on your face when you lit up with confidence and passion. I help people in their 20s build a strong foundation of joy, freedom, and purpose on which they can create the life that they truly desire. In today's video, I will talk to you about the most important quality that you need to have in order to continue growing. Without this quality, you stop asking questions, you stop being curious, you stop trying to understand new things, and above all, you stop trying to grow. So what is this quality, you ask? The most important and perhaps underrated quality that you need on your personal development journey is humility. By definition, humility is the feeling and the attitude that you have no special importance that makes you better than others. It is a lack of pride. Humility is the understanding that no matter where you're at, you can still make mistakes, you can be wrong, you don't know everything, and there are things that others can teach you and can show you. When you're in a place of humility, you open up to questions, you open up to new answers, and you open up to possibilities. Humility fosters learning and new understandings, which in turn bring in growth. Humility is needed in every decision in your life, but it is especially important when you're making life-changing decisions. Life-changing decisions tend to make us question our lived experiences and our held beliefs. After all, if they allow us to live the exact same way we have been living, they wouldn't be life-changing, right? So when you're able to accept that you have all these experiences that led you to hold on to certain beliefs in your life that seem to have been true in your life, and at the same time have a perspective or perhaps have some hope or an understanding that there may be something else, there may be a different way to live, there may be a different belief to hold that perhaps can take you to where you want to be. And in this case, humility is needed to embrace this possibility while accepting what we have done so far. Now, being humble is very vulnerable. That's why you see many people, including myself in the past, that have chosen to, instead of being humble, to try to be perfect, to try to be good and be strong, instead of acknowledging and admitting that you can make mistakes and that you can be wrong. Now, in order to learn to be humble, you need to have an understanding that not knowing everything, making mistakes, or learning from others, none of these makes you lesser than. None of you makes you weaker than anything or anyone else. They just means that you're human and you have limitations and you have imperfections. And I would encourage you, wherever you are, to learn and to get in touch with humility. Get in touch with that deeper inner knowing that you're not perfect, and that's okay, because the goal of this development journey is not to be perfect. It is to become a better version of yourself every day. And when you understand that, you'll find it much easier to accept your mistakes, to admit your wrongdoings, and to go from there, to take actions to amend them, and to take actions that will bring out positive changes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section when and how did humility help you make a great decision in your life before. Like this video, click on the bell, subscribe to this channel for new videos, and I would love to see you again. If you're curious about what I offer, check out my website in the description box. I see clients in person in San Francisco, and I can refer you to somebody else if you don't live in the area. I also offer free meditations online during COVID shutdown time, and I would love to see you there. Thank you. Bye.